right, y'all. So yesterday we asked fans to tweet us their dreams in honor of the MLK holiday, and a lot of people answered with some of their dreams for the world. So here's some of the favorites that we picked out. Now, one tweeter said, "My dream is that we will read Dr. King's last book and decide on community, rebuild our communities, become the village we should be, teach civics and morals to our youth, and work together." Now, another person wrote, "My dream is just to graduate from college. I just turned 68 years old yesterday, and I'm a full-time college student, slotted to graduate in 2020. Should probably double up on those classes."